I'm starting with a sewing pattern for a bow tie for reference, and here I'm just highlighting the sections that are going to need to bend. When this is cut out of wood, these sections are where we're going to need a living hinge, which is just a series of cuts on alternating sides, like I'm showing here. I then went over to Adobe Illustrator and did this as a vector file. I'm cutting this from some scrap 1/8 inch thick plywood that I jazzed up with some spray paint. Once that dried, I got some painter's tape over the plywood as masking material, and then I popped it into my Glowforge. And cut it. After I got the masking off, I used CA glue to assemble this. You can leave it just like this, or if you want to add material down the middle, you can do that too, depending on how finished you want it to look. I went ahead and used some frog tape down the middle just because that's what I had available to me, and even that looked great. You can get the file that I made at makersworkshop.com, or you can try it yourself and let me know how it goes.